It's currently like 40 degrees out right now. Super gloomy and it's raining. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but it's definitely heater season. So we're gonna check out another heater and let's get up in this attic. Take this off. That was loud. What's going on here? Why is the blower motor not hooked up? Hold on. Look. Blower motor don't have no. Oh, they probably had to change it out. Okay. Probably doesn't need a capacitor. I'll see all the wonky stuff they got going on here. Alright, let's test out the heater. So we're gonna jump those prongs. We're just gonna test some parts real quick before actually we turn on the heater, just to make sure they're in good standing, and then we'll try that heater. First thing that I like to check are these limit switches, just to make sure they're closed, they're not open. Because if they're open, they might be bad. Most of the time they're bad if they're open. So that one's closed. And then this one. This one seems to be open. Let me see. Push the reset button. No pop. Yeah, I think this one's open. Okay. We're gonna test this out. Alright, so the bottom one's open. Let me test the high limit switch real quick. Just make sure this limit switch isn't good. It's good. Hold on. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's go ahead and jump this to heat. So I'm gonna put this on W. Put this on R. Now you use this little handy dandy door switch. Hold on. For some reason I lost the second magnet, so there's supposed to be a second magnet right here, but it got stuck or something on something else. So now I just gotta figure out how to keep this in. Hold on. I'm just gonna use some electrical tape. I gotta buy a new one. Alright, I'll figure out an alternative for the magnet, but I get some electrical tape on this door. Let's see if this fires up. Now you're turning on. Alright, so yeah, that limit switch is bad. So I'm gonna get that limit switch replaced real quick and then we'll proceed. Alright, we got the new limit switch. Replace this limit switch real quick so that way we can get going. So it's kind of a little tight spot over here. So let's connect this here. Trying to get the camera right for y'all. Check out this flame sensor. It's not too dirty, but definitely has some stuff on it. So clean it real quick so that way we can, you know, don't have any issues in the future. Usually it's best to change them out, but people just want them clean lately. So you see, we got all this stuff off. So I'm gonna put this flame sensor back in, and then we'll start with the heater. All right, let's turn the heater on. This is the temperature so far. Unit's been on for about 10 minutes. It is currently like 40 degrees outside. Temps look good. All right, I'll catch you guys at the next one. You know, we just did a heater maintenance, found that limit switch. See, these heater maintenance, they're very important, you guys. So if you're a homeowner, make sure you get your heaters checked out every season, just because there could be small stuff, you know, to happen with your unit, which will prevent your heater from working. So if that limit switch were to stay like that, when the tenant or whoever was going to use it, then heater wouldn't have kicked on. So we fixed the issue, but catch you guys at the next one.